Good morning, children. My name is B. Ravinder Reddy. I am working at Government High School, Parapalli Street. We completed we are at acids and bases. We completed till today 24 lectures. We completed 24 lectures. We completed up to buffer solutions. Today we will discuss about what? Salt hydrolysis. Salt hydrolysis under what lecture number 25. What is salt hydrolysis? Salt hydrolysis means reaction of cation or anions. Reaction of cation or anion with water. Reaction of cation or anion with water to form what? Acidic solution, or to form what? Basic solution. Solution to form what? Acidic solution or basic solution. Whenever H plus ions are formed, that solution has acidic in nature. Whenever OH minus ions are present, that solution is got have basic in solution. That means what? Reaction of cation or anion with water to form acidic or basic solutions is called as salt hydrolysis. Sometimes neutral solutions are also formed. So this what? Reaction of cation or anion with water is called as what? Salt hydrolysis. Reaction of cation with water is called as what? Cationic hydrolysis. Reaction of anion with water is called as what? Anionic hydrolysis. So this is the what about the salt hydrolysis. Salt is formed due to the reaction between what? Acid and base, neutralization reaction. Due to the what? Acid and base of in neutralization reaction. How many kinds of what these salts are formed? So we are what? 4 kinds of salts are formed. So first kind is what? Strong acid, strong base, salt. So reaction of salt is formed due to the strong acid and strong base. Next one, second type of salt is strong acid with weak base salt. Strong acid with weak base. Strong acid is HCl, weak base is ammonium hydroxide. This NH4Cl is what? Strong acid weak base salt. Next one, weak acid strong base salt. Weak acid strong base. Weak acid is CH3COH. NaOH is what? Strong base. This salt is what? So CH3COH Na is what? Salt of weak acid and strong base. Next one, weak acid weak base salt. CH3COH is weak acid, NH4OH is weak base. So this CH3COH NH4 is what? Weak acid and weak base salt. Now how it will hydrolyzed? Let we know. So this is the what about the salt of weak acid with strong base. What it is? NaCl. So this NaCl, this what? NaCl, when it is water added to the water, what will happen? It is first dissociated into Na plus and Cl minus ions. So Na plus ions are formed from where? Na plus ions are formed from strong base. Na plus ions are formed from where? Strong base. The ion which is formed from strong is weak. The ion which is formed from strong is weak. The ion which is formed from weak is strong. Here it is formed from where? Strong base. So that's why this is weak. So weak ion is what? Not able to hydrolysis. Weak ion is not able to hydrolysis. Now let me take Cl minus ion. Cl minus ion is formed from where? It is also formed from strong acid. So that's why this is also weak. So that's why this is also what? Not hydrolyzed. Not hydrolyzed. Means what? The salt which is formed, Na plus ion is not hydrolyzed. Cl minus ions are also not hydrolyzed because it is weak, formed from strong. It is weak, formed from strong. Hence what? No hydrolysis. So pH value is what? Not changed, and pH value is exactly 7 value. So that's why it is what? Neutral nature. This solution has what? Neutral in nature. Neutral in nature. Neutral natured solution is what formed. So this is the what about the strong acid strong base hydrolysis. Next one, what? Salt of strong acid with weak base. Strong acid weak base. So NH4Cl. This NH4Cl is what? Ionized to as what? NH4 plus ions and Cl minus ions. These Cl minus ions are formed from where? Strong acid. Strong acid. So that's why this is what? Weak. So that's why this is not hydrolyzed. Not hydrolyzed. You can take what? NH4 plus ions. These are formed from where? Weak base. So that's why these are what? Strong ions. Strong ions. So these strong ions are what? Reacts with what? Water and formed what? NH4 OH plus what? H plus ions. So in water, H plus ions are formed. These H plus ions are responsible to change the pH value. That means what? pH plus ions are formed means what? What solution is converted into acid. Solution is converted into what? Acidic in nature. So pH value is what? Less than 7. pH value is less than 7. Here which ion is involved in the hydrolysis? Cation. So that's why this is called as what? Cationic hydrolysis. Which hydrolysis? Cationic hydrolysis. So whenever cationic hydrolysis will take place, so hydrolysis constant we can calculate KH is equal to Kw by Kb. Kw is what? Ionic product of water. Kb is what? Base dissociation constant. Next pH value we can calculate as what? 7 minus half pKb minus half log C. By using of this principle we can calculate 7 minus half pKb minus half log C. So this is the what? pH value. Next one, degree of ionization. H is equal to Kw by Kb under root. So these are the what concepts. It is acidic in nature. pH value is less than 7. pH value when less than 7, it is what? Acidic in nature. Here cationic hydrolysis will take place. Hydrolysis constant is equal to Kw by Kb. pH value we can calculate by using of this principle 7 minus half pKb minus half log C. Next one, degree of hydrolysis we can calculate by using of Kw by Kb. Here such type of principles are not there because it is not hydrolyzed. Cation or anion is not hydrolyzed. Next one, let me take what? Salt of this one. What is this one? So weak acid and strong base salt we got as what? CH3COONA. Here what? CH3COONA is when it is what? Added to water, it is ionized to CH3COO minus and Na plus ions. Na plus ions are formed from where? Strong base. Na plus ions are formed from where? Strong base. So that's why these are weak. The ions which are formed from strong are weak. So that's why this is not hydrolyzed. Only CH3COO minus is formed from where? Weak acid. So that's why this is what? Strong. So strong is what? Involved in hydrolysis and we will get as what? CH3COOH plus OH minus ions are formed. OH minus ions are formed. So in solution OH minus ions are formed. So that's why this is what? Basic in nature. The solution has what? Basic in nature. Basic nature. Next one, pH value is what? Must be greater than 7. Which ion is involved in hydrolysis? Anion is involved in hydrolysis. So that's why this is what? Anionic hydrolysis. Anionic hydrolysis. KH value how we can calculate? Here Kw by Kb. Here what? KH is equal to Kw by Ka value. pH we can calculate by principle of what? 7 plus half pKa plus half log C. Half log C. So half pKa plus half log C. 7 plus half pKa plus half log C. And H value, what? This degree of ionization. Degree of ionization or degree of hydrolysis we can calculate. KH is equal to Kw by KAC under root. KAC under root. KH is equal to Kw by KAC under root. Here we what left? Here also KBC is present. So Kw by KAC. Kw degree of dissociation, ionic product of water. The degree of dissociation of constant of acid. This is the concentration of acid. So this is the what about the concentration of water? Principle related to hydrolysis of water. Weak acid with a strong base. Next, hydrolysis of weak acid with weak base. So here what? Let me take what? This is the what? Salt. So CH3COONH4. CH3COONH4. So this CH3COONH4 is ionized to CH3COO minus and what? NH4 plus ions. NH4 plus ions. This CH3COO minus ion is what? Involved in hydrolysis because it is formed from where? Weak acid. So that's why this is strong. It is strong. So such that it is involved in hydrolysis and we will get as CH3COO minus and CH3COOH and OH minus ions. Anionic hydrolysis. NH4 plus is also formed from where? Weak base. So that's why it is also strong. So involved in what? Hydrolysis, cationic hydrolysis, and involved in cationic hydrolysis, and we will get as what? NH4 OH plus H plus ions are formed. H plus ions are formed. So that's why in the solution OH minus ions and H plus ions both are formed. If what these concentrations are same, H plus and OH minus ions are concentrations are same, the pH of the solution should be equal to 7. pH of the solution is equal to 7. If the what H plus ion concentration is more than that of OH minus ion concentration, this case is arises when H plus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration. Next one, if H plus ion concentration is more than that of OH minus ion concentration, pH is what? Less than 7. Acidic solution less than 7. If what H plus ion concentration is what? Less than that of what? OH minus ion concentration, pH value is what? More, greater than 7, because OH minus ions are present. So OH minus ions are present. OH minus ions are what? Having basic in nature. pH value greater than 7. When pH value is equal to 7, we will get in another way, that is what? If pKa is equal to pKb, or Ka is equal to Kb, Ka is equal to Kb. So in that case pH is 7. So here what? If Ka is greater than Kb, we will get as what? Acidic more, basic is less. So here what? Acidic is less, basic is what? More. So here in this case what will happen? So acidic, basic and neutral solutions are formed. In such a way different kinds of what? Acid, base or salt is formed. So this is what? Salt hydrolysis of weak acid and weak base. Now how we will calculate hydrolysis constant KH value? How we will calculate KH value? So KH is equal to Kw by Ka into Kb. Kw is what? Ionic product of water. Ka and Kb are the what? Acid dissociation constant and base dissociation constant. How we will calculate pH value? pH value is equal to 7 plus half pKa minus half pKb. So this principle is used to calculate pH of the solution. So this is the what concept related to what about the what acid salt hydrolysis. What it is? Salt hydrolysis. Now I will pause the video. So you take screenshots, and from those screenshots you can make notes.